Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making spinach and dill rice pilaf from Afghanistan called Zamarod Pulao. A combination of a basmati rice, fresh spinach, dill, cumin seeds, and dill seeds. Let's get started. Boil 3.5 liters of water and soak 3 cups of basmati rice, spinach, dill, half a cup sunflower oil, quarter teaspoon dill seed, half tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin. Place the spinach and dill in a food processor along with some water and blend until uniform. Pour the mixture through a sieve to remove any solid left. Season your boiling water with salt. Pour in the rice and stir. Place the lid slightly open. Then strain the rice. Pour the spinach and dill liquid into the rice pot along with the remaining dry ingredients. Then add in the strained rice and mix until all of the rice is taken on the green color. Using the handles of your spatula, make small airways in the rice. Then place the lid and set to low for 15 minutes. And now your rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.